How to print files with or without comments and track changes in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to need to let's jump right in. First, open Word, and then at the top, simply click on Review. In Review, you'll find All Markup, which is Display option. Click on it, and then make sure it's All Markup. After you're done with that, you'll find comments pop up. It is not available in my device, so I won't be able to show. And to print, click on File at the top. Then click on Print at the left side. In here, click on Print All Pages. In that, make sure there is tick mark in Print Markup if you want markup. If not, make sure there's no tick mark. After you're done, select how many pages you want to print and then press on Print at the top and you're good to go. This is how to print files with or without comments and track changes in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.